King Power Stadium for this Emirates FA Cup quarter-final between Leicester City and Chelsea. Craig Pawson, referee. They won 4-1 at West Brom last time out, but they have made a couple of changes to a winning team. Mark Albrighton is recalled in place of Damari, who would keep goal. There was perhaps less temptation to play first-choice Thibaut Courtois after his unhappy evening in Barcelona. Would love to get any sort of goal. It's now 13 appearances, quite a number of them from the bench in his... And by Simpson. Very.
Chelsea just backing off at the moment, not really pressing the ball.
Remember, no replays at this stage now. It's all got to be decided today. And, Morgan Cup dealt with by Harry Maguire, who's in the England squad along with Vardy. Pawson.
Indeed, he gets out there, just stops his Bright.
Away by Christensen. Indeed, he's got quite a shot on him.
He jumped for the ball, Simpson lays it square. He's just bending away.
That's the one. Perhaps not quite the one, because he liked it. Here's Alonso. It's a lovely cut back.
And Schmeichel worked the big diagonal out to Alonso, picked the right pass out, does everything.
Willian. Ora couldn't stop the cross coming in. And again, link up to the semi-final again. Let's just think, Mark, this is what Leicester of old used to do. Caballero in a great starting position, backs his outfield skills as well. Fabregas, who would have liked to have had a better result back in Barcelona, his home city, his old club. Willian. Quicker than Ndidi, it's a lovely ball. Morata's in for Chelsea here. Best chance. Seen the real man close up on Wednesday. Sheet back in the team as a starter, and that wait is over, and you can see how relieved he is. Kasper Schmeichel away again. They've never lost to Leicester, remember, in the FA Cup, and here at the King Power Stadium at half. Half underway with Chelsea leading by the goal that he has scored. Another ball aimed for Vardy by Iheanacho. Caballero kicks it. Oh, Mahrez had plenty to aim at.
Time because Conte was going.
Danger from Morata again to Leicester.
He's almost attacked the inside of Maguire if he's going to go down the outside.
Brighton, as you say, end-to-end stuff. Or Brighton's cross. It's just veering away from Iheanacho. Trying to scrape it away, but now Alonso. Hazard. Shots on.
Hazard, his first touch is good. And I think he's cool.
Vulnerable as Moses plays it in, and Schmeichel deciding to
behind Morgan. Not sure Morgan would have got there.
Of goals from set pieces. Chilwell, Iborra has a go and leaning back as he hit it with the inevitable result. For support, which came from Alonso. Leicester don't clear it. Fabregas. Deflection on the cross. Vardy. Iborra. Iborra again must score. No. Vardy must score. Yes. Leicester are level, and it has been coming. Chelsea have knocked Chelsea out of the FA Cup for the first time in Leicester's history. Mahrez in again, and no one making a run across. Chilwell. Oh, and it's just away from Okazaki, who gets that touch. It's well found by Hazard. Beautiful ball for Fabregas. And
realise he's in an offside position. He can see right across the line. He just
in the semi-finals. Ndidi has a crack, but he's hit them better than that. And Maguire slides it through for Vardy. Parried by Cabby. Here's Willian. They might not be finished here. Chelsea. Morata.
He may just have been offside, but Schmeichel does there. It's much better than they did in the first half. They've stopped those big switches of play.
Blocked by Simpson. Well, Stuart, Chelsea had the first half and got the goal. Leicester had the second. of the League Cup with an away defeat. They've gone out of the Champions League with an away defeat. They've dropped Brighton. He wins the race with Christensen, but he was pulling up because he saw Caballero come. And it's still to be decided. Maybe Hazard is the man to do it with clever work, and Pedro. Conte. Schmeichel comes and he's beaten to it, and Chelsea are back in front, and Pedro pounced. Right on half-time in extra time. Schmeichel Roos is now the difference between the two sides. Picks it on Maguire. Doesn't fall for Vardy. Mahrez shouts for handball, and Didi Diabate.
This is right at the end of it. Big chance for Leicester
to seal the deal. Pedro. Oh, again served his side nobly. And Chelsea are through. The losing finalists last season are into the semi-final again. Shake of the head.
Vardy scored his goal.
Time, but Pedro in extra time the difference. Leicester 1, Chelsea 2. Chelsea complete the semi-final set.